Could your home be quietly raising your risk of Alzheimer's disease? Utah experts say one invisible culprit could be hiding right under your nose, and they're urging every homeowner to take a simple test that could make a life-changing difference. Most people link Alzheimer's to age, genetics, or family history. Those factors certainly matter. But here's where things get interesting. Scientists are beginning to uncover evidence that our surroundings might also affect how our brains age. One environmental suspect now under the microscope. Radon, an invisible radioactive gas found in many Utah homes. What exactly is radon? Radon is created when uranium in soil and rock naturally breaks down. The gas seeps upward through the ground and can slip inside homes through cracks in the foundation, gaps in floors, basements, or spaces around pipes and drains. Because it's completely colorless, tasteless, and odorless, you could be breathing it every day without knowing it's there. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, radon exposure is the second leading cause of lung cancer overall, and the number one cause among non-smokers. That alone makes it worth paying attention to. But here's where the conversation becomes even more urgent. Utah's unique geology makes it one of the states with the highest radon potential in the nation. Studies estimate that nearly half of Utah homes have elevated radon levels. The Alzheimer's connection, coincidence or cause? According to the Alzheimer's Association, Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia, typically developing in people over the age of 65. While age and genetics remain major risk factors, researchers are turning their attention toward environmental influences, those long-term, low-level exposures we rarely notice but may accumulate over time. A study published in Environmental Health Perspective suggests that ionizing radiation, like that from radon, may trigger subtle cellular damage linked to neurodegenerative conditions such as Alzheimer's. The research hasn't fully proven a direct cause-and-effect relationship yet, and many scientists urge caution before drawing firm conclusions. But when exposure is both common and preventable, many health experts argue that ignoring radon could be a mistake. Testing your home, simple, free, and potentially life-saving. The tricky thing about radon is that you won't see, smell, or feel any sign of danger. Many Utah homeowners who finally test their homes are stunned to learn that the air inside their house, not outdoors, carries more risk. Luckily, testing couldn't be easier. Utah residents can receive a free testing kit from utahradon.org. https://utahradon.org/landing-page/question mark UTM_medium_sign KSL_UTM_medium=AMPercent UTM_content=sign CTA_article_UTM_content=sign. The process takes only a few minutes. Place the small test in a main living area, wait a few days, then mail it to a certified lab for analysis. What happens if your radon levels are high? Don't panic. Elevated radon levels can be brought down with professional help. Certified specialists install mitigation systems, typically within 1 day, that continuously vent radon gas from beneath your home into the outside air. Once operational, these systems start lowering radon concentrations immediately. Why every Utah family should care. Even without a confirmed link between radon and Alzheimer's, the science is clear on one point: radon harms your health, and controlling it is entirely within your power. For families living in high radon areas like Utah, testing isn't just a precaution, it's a smart, proactive step toward protecting both physical and cognitive health. Radon may be invisible, but it's not beyond your control. Understanding your home's levels means you can take action, reduce exposure, and safeguard your loved ones from unnecessary risks. Want to know your home's true air quality? Order a free radon test kit today at utahradon.org. https://utahradon.org/landing-page/question mark UTM_source =KSL UTM_medium $=sign native $native-UTM_campaign $Alzheimer's_article $UTM_content $sign CTA_bottom. Do you think environmental factors like radon deserve more attention in conversations about Alzheimer's disease? Or do you believe genetics and aging play a far greater role? Share your thoughts. This is a debate worth having.